How to fix community standards on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show how to fix community standards on Messenger. So now without further ado, let's get started. But with that, let's move forward to the step 1, that is to understand the violation. So Messenger may show messages like your message goes against the community standards. You can't send this message, and for that, a common reason is sharing inappropriate content, sending spam or links, using restricted words and medias, and violating the Facebook rules and harassment or the hate speech. And to that, you cannot bypass the rule and you must follow the guidelines. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to review the Facebook community standards. So, here, what you can do is simply open the Facebook and you can go through the Facebook, or you can even open the Google browser, and here you can just tap on the search bar and simply type facebook.com/community standards and simply search for it. And now here you can just tap on the first link, and here you can understand what content is allowed and what is restricted. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to delete or edit the problematic message. So here you can simply open the chat in Messenger, and with that you can just long press on the flagged message, and from there you can simply remove or unsend it, and this will prevent further restriction on your account. And with that, step 4 is what if temporary restricted. So if Messenger blocks you temporarily, wait the cooldown period, which is usually 24 to 72 hours, and do not try sending the same content repeatedly. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to submit an appeal. So here, when the messenger shows message blocked, then what you can do is simply go through the menu, and there you can just tap on settings, and from here you can just tap on report technical problem, and from there you can simply tap request and fill out the form and explain your content does not violate the rules, and wait for the Facebook review, which may take a few days. And with that, moving forward to the step 6, that is to avoid the future issues. So do not share spams, links, or sensitive content. And with that, also avoid sending the same message to multiple users quickly, and keep your chats friendly and respectful. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.